Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Tonkeeper wallet or from your Tonkeeper application. So for those who don't have Tonkeeper, you can go over to Play Store and then download your Tonkeeper application right away. So as for my case, I have Tonkeeper and I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Tonkeeper. So as you can see, Tonkeeper is a bit slow in the way it loads up. So launching this application quite takes a few minutes, so you have to be patient. So finally it has launched, and if you want to withdraw money from your Tonkeeper, assuming you have USDT in your Tonkeeper, what you'll do is quite simple. Come to the USDT you want to withdraw. So come to USDT over there, and then come on send over there. So after coming on send, head over to your Binance application. I'm assuming you want to withdraw money from Tonkeeper to your Binance application. So for this case, I'll just come here to Binance and then I'll just come and log in. Okay, so I'll just come here and log in or sign up, and then I'll show you what to do next. So for this case, this will take some time to load up, but it will later on load up. Okay, so I just come here, then log in, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I think this one will take a lot of time. What we shall do is simple. Let's come to Trust Wallet, and we are assuming you're withdrawing from Tonkeeper to Trust Wallet. So I just come here and confirm my fingerprint. So for your end, it may show a blank screen, but don't worry about that. Okay, so right now you're on Trust Wallet. Come and tap on receive. And what are you receiving? You're receiving USDT. So if you're receiving USDT, search for USDT over here. And when you search for it, you see it pop up over there. Okay, so if it doesn't pop up right away, what you can do is simple. Come back to the home page over here, and then make sure that you add USDT. So come to Manage Crypto, and then search for USDT. So for this case, I'll come here to the search bar, and then I'll search for USDT. Okay, so USDT is down here. It's here. Okay, let me add this one of BNB Smart Chain. All right, so after adding it, I'll just come back to my Trust Wallet, and then come and copy the receiving address of USDT on my Trust Wallet. So first and foremost, I'll just come and look for USDT. So it's over here. Then tap on USDT, then come and tap on receive, and then copy this wallet address. So head back to my Tonkeeper wallet and then paste this address there. So after pasting it there, I'll just come here and add any comment I want, and then I'll tap on continue, and then you'll be able to send your money or withdraw your money from Tonkeeper to any other exchange or any other wallet like Trust Wallet. So guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.